You trying to get back in the high chair? See, I missed it because that high chair was right at the edge of the carpet there, and he ran with it and pushed it all the way over to there, but I didn't get to the camera fast enough. Did I, Logan? No, I sure didn't. You can't get in there. And I wonder why my cupboards are broken. This kid just won't say give up. I'll get in those cupboards eventually, Mum. Where are you going? What do you see? Oh, back to the high chair. You just had breakfast, silly. What's wrong? Yes, I'm putting my foot on whatever that was on the floor because I don't want you to have it. Now he's using Mommy to climb. You're going to pull Mommy's pants down. Look at that pretty head of hair. Let's see what I can get in here. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, Logan, you're so funny. Watch your fingers. Logan, careful. Again, you wouldn't know that he's sick. He's got milky green, big, giant goobers pouring out of his nose. But he seems right as rain. Are you laughing with Mommy? You laughing? You gonna laugh with Mommy? There you go. Logan, do you want to look at Mommy? Show Mommy your pretty face. Hey Logan, look at Mommy. You have to actually turn and look. You can't just point your head in my direction, silly. That's the lid of the pot. That's where Mommy cooks spaghetti. Yeah, you know spaghetti. You love spaghetti. Okay, Logan, can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Logan! It's like, forget it, Mom, I'm busy. Can't you see I'm playing? Logan! Hey, over here. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Well, that's good enough. We got a big grin. Big toothy grin. Okay, bye-bye.